Hey there, in this video we are just going on practicing the linking R in sentences. I'm going to be giving you each sentence twice, or maybe 3 times. So let's get started. I need more rice. More rice. I need more rice. In your arms. Your arms. In your arms. Here and now. Here and now. Far away. Far away. For example. For example. For example. For instance. For instance. Color it blue. Color it blue. A jar of jam. A jar of jam. There are some things. There are some things. There is a cat over there. There is a cat over there. A pair of shoes. A pair of shoes. A pair of jeans. A pair of jeans. 4 eggs. 4 eggs. 4 eggs. An orange or an apple. Or an apple. Or an apple. An orange or an apple. Here again. Here again. Never again. Never again. Are you 10 or 11? Are you 10 or 11? Or 11? Are you 10 or 11? A reporter at large. Reporter at large. A reporter at large. It's a better example. 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 This car is his. This car is his. She's 1 year older than me. She's 1 year older. Yeah, she's 1 year older. She's 1 year older than me. The door is open. The door is open. Her eyes are brown. Her eyes are brown. There were 8 cats. There were 8 cats. Were 8. There were 8 cats. The future is bright. Future is. The future is bright. My mother is younger than my dad. Mother is. My mother is younger. My mother is younger. My hair is dark. My hair is dark. I usually wear a t-shirt to work. I usually wear a t-shirt. I usually wear a t-shirt to work. More of it. More of it. War and peace. War and peace. His mother-in-law is nice. His mother-in-law is nice. Actually, you can hear 2 linking R here. His mother-in-law is nice. Mother-in-law is. His mother-in-law is nice. I've been to the Tower of London once. The Tower of London. The Tower of London. I've been to the Tower of London once. You've got something in your eye. In your eye. You've got something in your eye. I hope you're all doing well. You're all doing. I hope you're all doing well. Studying is getting harder and harder. Harder and harder. Studying is getting harder and harder. Where is the fire exit? Where is Where is? Where is the fire exit? Dieren. Dieren. I'm looking for a job. For a job. I'm looking for a job. For ages. For ages. I haven't seen you for ages. I haven't seen you for ages. Or I haven't seen you for a long time. For a long time. For a long time. Here we can finish, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps. Bye.